love the Lord, but some days I get sad, and I'm glad I can vent with this pen on my pad. And I read.
Hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is SassyLady Libra, and today we're gonna work out. Alright, so today is Sunday, December the 8th, and this is workout day number 10. We're almost halfway through this thing, y'all. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. For today's workout, we are going to do some timed intervals. Alright, the entire workout should take about 8 minutes, and we should burn approximately 224 calories. Let's go ahead and get started because we don't have time to play before I talk myself out of doing it. Alright, so we're going to perform the following sequence of exercises as many times as possible within 8 minutes. Alright, so we have, so we're going to need a table for some table hip height planks. I don't have a table. I will be doing my planks on the floor. But let's take a look if you have a table to see what it looks like. And that's it. Plank on the table. Alright, we'll be doing 12 walking lunges. We'll also do 12 side kicks. We'll also do 12 tricep extensions, so we will need the wall, and I got that wall space back there. And then we will be doing 30-second wall sits. That's going to really burn those thigh muscles. So I'm excited, and I'm going all out. Alright, and of course, before we begin, we are going to do a warm-up. And our house rules. Remember, breathe into that nose, out of the mouth. Never hold your breath. Keep that tummy tight and taut. If there's anything dealing with the glutes, kind of squeeze those glutes. And most of all, have fun, all right? Do what you can. If you can't do it, try to figure out some type of way to modify it. Let's see what this warm-up is going to entail, and let's get started. All right, lateral neck stretch. I guess that's how you do it. Alright, that completes our warm-up. Let's move right on in to that workout. Alright, we got planks on the table. I'm just gonna plank here. Alright, we got walking lunges. Alright. 2, we got 12 of them. Next we got side kick, 12 times. 1, 2. Tricep extensions, keep those hands by the side. All right, next we got wall sits. 12 walking lunges. Start over here. 1, 2. All right. Side kicks. 1, 2. Tricep extensions. We got 12. All right, we got 30-second wall sits. Back and forth planks. All right, back at walking lunges. Side kicks. Tricep extensions. One, 2. Wall sits. Don't have to do wall sits. That completes our workout for today. All right, so what was this today? Time intervals. I don't know which one we did. I think I must have, it was reps. I don't know. However, we did an excellent job getting through that workout. I liked it. I didn't kill myself, but I liked it. So we burned 227 calories. Total exercise took 8 minutes, or total workout took 8 minutes, and we completed 14 exercises. So great job. We got through another day, and we're doing a great job. Remember, this is day 10. Day 10.